Masayang-masaya si Katrina Halili at si Chris Lawrence sa bagong blessing nila. Nanganak na kasi ang kapuso actress. Sino kaya ang kamukha ng baby? Makichika kay Nason Canlas.
Sinamahan ng GMA News ang first-time daddy na si Chris Lawrence sa pamimili niya ng gamit para sa kanilang bagong silang na baby ni Katrina Halili. Ikinuwento ng R&B singer na tuwang-tuwa siya nang una niyang makita ang kanyang little princess.
The baby's so cute. The baby's healthy. Ang ganda ng mukha niya. Maybe I'm biased but sobrang cute siya. She's got a head full of hair. Yeah. Her eyelashes, ang haba ng eyelashes, parang naka-curlash na.
Kamukha daw ni Katrina ang baby at mas inspired daw ngayon si Chris at determinado para sa kanyang mag-ina.
We're happy. And it's true. Talagang nawawala talaga yung pagod mo. No matter how tired you are, let's say, kanina umaga, it was like 6 or 7, wala pa akong tulog. I was dozing off. I was already going into dream state because I heard her cry. I woke up and then as soon as I looked at her and I said, "Baby, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?" I was awake. I was wide awake. Well, I just wanted to see.
At si Katrina naman, nag-uumapaw ang tuwa sa pagdating ng kanilang baby girl.
Hati po hati. Pero sabi nila medyo kamukha ka daw po.
Katrens ang pangalan ng kanilang baby, halaw sa pinagsamang pangalan ng kanyang magulang. Ilang kaibigan naman ni Katrina at Chris ang nagpaabot ng pagbati para kay baby Katrens.
Hopefully, during the course of her life, meron akong mabibigay na very precious. Hindi materialistic, something else na lang. I'll figure it out.
I'm very happy for her. Finally, she found love. And now that God has given her with so many blessings, ito yung pinaka-ultimate siguro.
More blessings for them to come, for both of them.
Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happenings.